Can a Ford F-150 really reach 300,000 miles, or are owners killing it early? Can a modern Ford F-150 really reach 300,000 miles in today's world, or is that something that only applied to older trucks built decades ago? Why do some F-150s from the same model years, driven in the same country, end up completely worn out before 150,000 miles, while others quietly keep going past 250,000 without major issues? Is the problem really the engine, the transmission, or the electronics? Or is it something far more uncomfortable to admit? Are owners unknowingly damaging their trucks every single day while believing they are taking good care of them? And what is the one habit that decides whether a Ford F-150 becomes a high-mileage success story or an expensive mistake? In this video, I'm going to answer these questions honestly, without myths, nostalgia, or marketing promises. Because the truth about Ford F-150 longevity between 2020 and 2026 is simple but hard to accept. These trucks are absolutely capable of extreme mileage, but only if they are used in a very specific way. The truck itself is not the limiting factor. The owner is. Most people believe that reliability starts with choosing the right engine. V8 versus EcoBoost, naturally aspirated versus turbocharged, gasoline versus hybrid. But when you look at real high-mileage F-150s, engine choice explains far less than people think. What really matters is how the truck is treated during the first minutes of every drive, and how consistently it is used over years. One of the most destructive usage patterns for modern F-150s is short-trip driving. Starting the engine cold, driving a few miles, shutting it off, and repeating this cycle day after day slowly destroys internal components. Oil never reaches optimal temperature. Moisture builds up inside the engine and exhaust system, and contaminants are never burned off properly. The truck may feel fine, but internal wear is already accelerating long before mileage suggests it should. Cold starts are especially damaging when combined with aggressive driving. Many owners start the truck and immediately accelerate hard, trusting modern engineering to protect everything. But metal still expands with heat, oil still needs time to flow properly, and turbochargers are especially sensitive during cold operation. High-mileage owners treat the warm-up phase as non-negotiable, even if it costs a few extra minutes. Oil change intervals are another misunderstood area. Dashboard reminders are designed for average conditions, not real life. Towing, hauling, idling, short trips, extreme heat, and heavy loads all degrade oil faster than mileage alone suggests. Owners who reach extreme mileage do not ask what the truck allows. They ask what their usage demands. Transmission longevity separates long-lasting trucks from short-lived ones more than almost any other factor. Modern automatic transmissions run hot, shift frequently, and depend entirely on fluid condition. Lifetime fluid is a concept that benefits manufacturers, not owners. High-mileage F-150s treat transmission fluid changes as insurance, not optional maintenance. Suspension and alignment play a much bigger role than most people realize. A truck with worn shocks, tired bushings, or poor alignment sends constant vibration through the entire structure. Over time, this stress affects mounts, joints, sensors, wiring, and even interior components. A slightly rough ride today often becomes a cascade of problems years later. Tire setup is another silent factor. Oversized tires, incorrect load ratings, aggressive tread patterns, and improper pressure increase stress on axles, differentials, and transmissions. Many owners chase looks without considering long-term consequences. High-mileage F-150s are rarely the most modified trucks. They are the most balanced ones. Towing exposes ownership habits very clearly. The F-150 is built to tow, but towing without discipline slowly kills it. Using the wrong gear, ignoring transmission temperature, accelerating aggressively under load, and exceeding comfortable limits may not cause immediate failure, but they shorten the truck's life dramatically. Owners who reach extreme mileage tow with patience, not pride. Driving style matters more than people want to admit. Smooth acceleration, consistent speeds, and mechanical sympathy reduce heat and stress across the entire drivetrain. High-mileage owners do not baby their trucks, but they never abuse them. They let the truck work efficiently instead of forcing it to prove something. Fuel quality and consistency also play a role. Poor fuel causes knock, deposits, and inefficient combustion. These problems do not appear overnight, but over tens of thousands of miles, they slowly degrade performance and reliability. Owners who keep trucks long-term pay attention to how the engine feels, not just what the fuel label says. One of the most dangerous habits is ignoring small warning signs. Slight hesitation, delayed shifts, vibrations, unusual noises, or reduced efficiency are often dismissed as normal aging. High-mileage trucks are owned by people who investigate early and act before damage spreads. Trucks almost never fail without warning. Owners simply stop listening. Modern F-150s rely heavily on software, and that matters for longevity. Driving modes, throttle mapping, transmission logic, and traction settings all influence mechanical stress. Using the wrong mode for the wrong situation increases wear without the driver realizing it. Owners who understand these systems reduce unnecessary strain every day. Consistency is the hidden foundation of longevity. Trucks that last are owned by people with routines. They check fluids regularly. They inspect tires. They pay attention to changes. Longevity is not exciting. It is repetitive, disciplined, and often boring. But it works. Environment also matters. Heat, cold, dust, salt, and humidity accelerate wear. High-mileage owners adapt their care to where they live. They clean components, protect vulnerable areas, and adjust maintenance schedules accordingly. They do not treat all environments the same. Now consider this scenario. Two identical Ford F-150s, same year, same engine, same options. One owner uses it mainly for short trips, ignores early symptoms, delays maintenance, and drives aggressively when cold. The other warms it properly, adapts maintenance to usage, tows with discipline, and listens to the truck. After 150,000 miles, one feels tired and problematic. The other still feels solid and tight. Same truck, two completely different futures. And this is the part most owners don't want to hear. Modern trucks do not fail suddenly. They fail slowly, silently, through hundreds of small decisions. Every rushed cold start, every ignored vibration, every postponed service pushes the truck in one direction or the other. Longevity is not decided in one moment. It is decided daily. So, can a Ford F-150 from 2020 to 2026 really reach 300,000 miles? Yes, but not by accident, not by luck, and not by simply following the manual. These trucks are capable machines, but they demand informed ownership. The real challenge is not choosing the right model or engine. The challenge is changing how you use it every single day. Every cold start, every ignored symptom, every delayed service decision pushes the truck toward one outcome or the other. Some owners will watch their F-150 become noisy, rough, and unreliable far too early. Others will quietly pass milestones most people think are impossible. The difference is not hidden inside the engine. It is hidden inside habits. And that is why some Ford F-150s become legends, while others become warnings.